for Chapter 7 theorems. Let's kick it to Adam.
Thanks, Ryan. Alright, our first theorem is 7.1, the Pythagorean theorem. This states that in a right triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the two legs of the triangle. Let's kick it to Josh for our first example.
Thanks, Adam. So, the Pythagorean theorem states that in a right triangle, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, when c is the hypotenuse. Let's try an example problem. So, we have a right triangle with leg lengths of 5 meters and 12 meters. So to find the hypotenuse, we do 5 squared plus 12 squared equals x squared. 5 squared is 25. 12 squared is 144. So, we would add those together and we get 169. So we take the square root of both of these and we get x equals 13 meters.
Wow, that was fantastic, Josh Co. Now you try it.
Oh, wait.
And we're back, everybody! Let's kick it to Joshua with the solution.
So, to solve this problem, you would use a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So a is 6 meters.
No, it is where the business is located.
And b
They're not in the United States. So if you are
is
a
y.
billionaire person, your money is stored offshore. Because you don't
C
it's
is 10. So,
It is smart as a business.
6
person,
squared
but you and me, it's like
is 36
working our hardest to do whatever you want.
plus y squared
Pay all this tax, so
equals 100.
let's say you got a paycheck for $1,000.
So you'd subtract 36 from both sides, and you get y squared
It's not going to help me that much.
equals 64. And you take the square root of both sides, and you get y equals 8.
But then you
Nice one, Josh. Adam, take it away.
Yes, sir. It's time for our second theorem, Theorem 7.2. This states that if the square of the length of the longest side of a triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides, then the triangle is a right triangle. Josh, show our audience an example.
So, Adam just explained to you Theorem 7.2. That states that if the longest side of a triangle, the square of the longest side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the two shorter sides of the triangle, then it's a right triangle. So, in this triangle, this is the longest side, obviously, because it's 11 meters. So we do 11 squared, and then 8 squared plus 7 squared. 11 squared is 121. 8 squared is 64. And 7 squared is 49. 64 plus 49 is 113. And 121 is obviously not equal to 113. So it is not a right triangle.
Nice! That was fantastic, Josh Co. Now you try it. We're back again, everybody! Josh, take it away with the solution.
Alright, so to solve this problem, first, start with 8 squared plus 15 squared equals 17 squared. That's equal to 64 plus 225. 64 plus 225 is 289, which is obviously equal to 289. So, it is a right triangle.
That's my boy Josh. Take it back to Adam.
And that's my boy Ryan! Now we're heading into our third and fourth theorems, 7.3 and 7.4. Theorem 7.3 states that if the square of the length of the longest side of the triangle is less than the sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides, then the triangle is an acute triangle. Theorem 7.4 states that if the square of the length of the longest side of the triangle is greater than the sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides, then the triangle is an obtuse triangle. Both these theorems are similar, so Josh will take it away with a few more examples.
So, Adam just to explain to you Theorem 7.3 and 7.4. Let's try an example problem. So, if you remember from our example from 7.2, we have a triangle with 11 millimeters, 7 millimeters, and 8 millimeters side lengths. And we got 113 is not equal to 121 as our final answer, and that it's not right. But if it's not right, what is it? So, 113 is less than a 121. So, and 121 is c squared, so that means 121, which is c squared, is greater than 113, which means the triangle is obtuse.
Wow, that was fantastic, Josh Co. Now you try it. What?
Procrastinator, and it's like the sailor dude. He's like,
And we're back, everybody, for the last time! Let's go to Josh with the solution.
So, to solve this problem, you would take the hypotenuse, c, or 15, and then go to the legs and square them. So 15 squared is 225, and 6 squared is 36, and 36 plus 36 is 72. So 225 is greater than 72, so that means that it is an obtuse triangle.
Can you just film us from the